Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new video for you. Just as a reminder, please remember I use this channel to practice my English. Okay, so today let's begin with the new video I have for you. It's again doll related. I have shown you a few of these dolls that I got. So today we are going to do the unboxing to see everything we have in this box so I can show it to you. So her focus is couture, I'm sorry about my pronunciation, fashion design. And as always in the back we have all the rainbow effect and all the characters. So let me open the box and I will come back to you and show you what's inside. Okay, we are back here and these are all the contents from the box. First of all, I will remove this from the plastic bag, and this is her stand. Actually the color is very pretty because it's kind of a clear plastic, so you can still see through it, so I find it very pretty that way. We have some decorations in here and the shadow high logo. Okay, so I'll just assemble this very quick. Okay, so here it is all assembled, and I'll put this away together with her comb, which is made of the same color and material with the logo over there. So she has this on the box, and also she has the other set of clothes, the other outfit. So let me open this very quickly and show you the extra items she has. Okay, so first let me show you the shoes she has in the box. These are some high heels, and at the bottom you can see which one is the left shoe and which one is the right shoe. But you also have this bell thingy on the side, so that can also help to see which shoe goes where. It has a very cute stone in here. So yeah, these are very pretty, and these are plastic shoes. The next item, I will leave it in this kind of plastic mannequin because in this video I won't change her outfit, but I want to keep it like this for a project I'm working on, which of course I'm going to show you in the future. So I will just show you the outfit like this. So this one has the zipper. It's very well done, very pretty. So this is kind of a jacket. Then she comes with this other full outfit, which is a shirt and a skirt. It has some stones in here. I'm a little bit afraid of this material. I hope these do not peel with the time or things like that. I will be very careful keeping these clothes, but maybe in the future, like in a year or so, I will make an update about the clothing. This one has velcro, this one has velcro too, and well, this is her second outfit. And now moving on to the doll. I have been waiting for this. So as you can see, she's very pretty. The face is done extremely well. I love their crystal eyes. I really love dolls who has this type of eyes because they look a little bit more 3D, like anime style or something like that. She has the eyelashes. She comes with these big earrings. You can remove them. Her outfit is a single piece dress. I really like this design. In the future I will try to exchange outfits with the dolls I have, but so far she will keep this for a while. She has this belt with the shadow high logo. She has the underwear painted on her skin. This one is kind of silver. Yeah, it's like silver color. She can move, as we know. They have articulations. Her shoes in here, I need to show you all the detail. I'm sorry for the weird angle, but I need the light to show you. It has some lace, and then the top has like this fluffy texture, and then they have like this plastic ribbon on them. So these are very cute. She also has this pretty bracelet, super tiny, and look at her nails. Look at these long silver nails. I really love. They have a lot of detail, so this is why I started my, in quotes, small collection, which I will be showing you, of course. Okay, moving on. She has her hair in a ponytail. You can see the elastic from the ribbon. You can remove this, but I will leave her like this for a while. She has a very pretty hair. It's very thick. It's heavy too. The only thing, she has a little bit of product in this part in here. You can see it getting a little bit tangled, but I mean, I can just put a little bit of water and work on it. So I will do that in the future, not now. Just letting you know, she has a little bit of product in this bottom part. Not all of it, actually, just this side. But I mean, besides that, I'm very happy with her. She looks gorgeous. And okay, my friends, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to show you this small unboxing and also to have it in my channel just as a memory for myself, and of course to share it with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because that will also help me in motivating me to make more videos like this for you in this channel. And well, my friend, that's it for today. I hope you're having a lovely day, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!